Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make something special with you. And it doesn't involve cooking, it's just making something out of fruits. It's gonna be so much fun and they taste so yummy. You should come, let's go make some. The first and most important step is to make sure you wash them. So, however you do that, just make sure it's done. You don't want to get sick off of these amazing tasting fruits. These are all the fruits, marshmallows, and toothpicks that you're going to need, but you will need an adult to help you cut some of the fruit up. Always ask for an adult's help. Now our fruit is all cut and ready to be put together. Let's go! All right, friend, are you ready to put all this together and create something? Me too. First, I want to say we need to be careful because we are using toothpicks and toothpicks can be very sharp. So please be careful while we're having a great time. With our toothpick, we're going to take one of the grapes. That's going to be the head. Now we're going to take one of the pieces of banana and slide it down. So far it looks like this. Then we're going to take a strawberry and place it right on top. There we go. Are you starting to see it? Then to finish it off, we're going to put a marshmallow. How cute is this? And how delicious too. Well, I hope you enjoyed making that with me. It's really simple and easy to do, and you get to eat while you do it. Well, friend, I really do hope you enjoyed today. I know that I always have a great time when I'm with you. Do you want to make a couple more with me first? All right, let's make some more. Let's make 3 more. So far, we have 1. Let's make 3 more to make 4. Here we go. Here's the one we've already made. Now let's make our 3 more. First the grape, then the banana, then the strawberry, and then of course the marshmallow. That makes 2. It's hard to grab a toothpick. Be careful. Remember, these are very sharp. There's so much fun to do. Here's 3. And our final last one. Push it a little too much through. It's okay. It happens. My fingers are getting a little slippery from the banana. Be careful, they do get slippery. And I do recommend using smaller strawberries for the hats and the cute little mini marshmallows. There we go. These are a great little snack. I really do hope you enjoyed making these with me today because I sure know they are so tasty. Don't forget, after you're done, make sure you clean up your mess and don't waste anything. You can save it and eat some more later. Well, friend, I had a great time today making these with you. They're so fun. And I do hope you come back for more each and every time with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the videos for more.